Culinary adventures await as we cross the globe, diving into some of the most unusual dishes you could imagine. Like a crab sizzling as it hits a boiling soup, an experience as unique as it sounds. But hold your breath, we're just getting started. Next, we have people feasting on, yes, maggots. It sounds strange, but it's a delicacy to them. Can you imagine the crunch? Then we're off to see catfish, not just any catfish, but ones feasting on pig lungs. An underwater banquet, truly out of the ordinary. To wrap it up, we find a woman savoring great algae from a pond. It's not your everyday salad, but to her, it's a gourmet treat. So let your taste buds wander and your mind wander even further. Remember, one man's weird is another man's delicacy. The video you just watched was created using InVideo AI. Have you ever pondered about creating a professional video in just a few minutes? We welcome you to the realm of InVideo AI, where high-quality video production is not only swift, but also effortless. Overcoming the challenges associated with conventional video creation has never been this simple. You might wonder, what's the power of artificial intelligence, more specifically, InVideo AI? Want to give it a try? The link is in our bio for a limited time. Creating a professional video with InVideo AI is as easy as 1, 2, 3. The first step in this process is to craft a compelling script. This is your blueprint, your story that will guide the AI in generating the visuals and voiceover. Make sure it's descriptive and comprehensive, as this will be used to create your video. Once your script is ready, you simply upload it into InVideo AI's web-based application. This is where the magic happens. The AI reads your script and begins to generate images that correspond to the narrative. It's like having your own personal director, creating visual content that aligns with your story. But what if the AI selects an image that doesn't quite fit your vision? No problem. InVideo AI allows for flexibility, enabling you to replace any generated image with one of your own choosing. This ensures that your video aligns perfectly with your desired outcome. What's even more impressive is the accuracy of InVideo AI's stock footage. The AI's ability to select relevant and high-quality images is truly remarkable, saving you countless hours of manual searching. Once your images are in place, the AI then generates a voiceover, bringing your script to life, and voila, your professional video is ready in a matter of minutes. Now, you may be wondering, what's in it for me? Well, InVideo AI is a treasure trove of benefits. Imagine having lightning-speed video creation with pinpoint accuracy and professional-grade quality at your fingertips. It's a breeze to use, opening up a world of opportunities for businesses, influencers, and individuals alike. With InVideo AI, you're not just creating videos, you're crafting masterpieces. So why wait? Start your journey with InVideo AI today and revolutionize your video content creation.